Today's video takes our use of the scoreboard to the next level because the scoreboard can only be used for addition problems. So when we're faced with a subtraction problem, we have to first convert that subtraction problem to an addition problem so that we can finally make use of the scoreboard to go ahead and come up with our final answer. So the key to doing that is by following a process called keep, change, opposite. So anytime I see a subtraction problem, the first thing I'm going to do is to rewrite it as an addition problem by following these simple steps. First of all, I'm going to keep the first number, 32. And next, I'm going to change my subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then I'm going to follow up by converting my second number to the opposite of what it was. So where this started out as 32 minus negative 58, I kept the 32, I changed to addition, and now the negative 58 is going to be converted to positive 58. And now we're ready to go ahead and use the scoreboard. So to set the scoreboard up, remember, set it up as a little T-chart, left side negatives, right side positives, and just go ahead and fill both of your numbers in on the appropriate side. So I know 32 is positive, I know 58 is positive. Both numbers being on the same side of the scoreboard means my answer will be the sign of that number after I just simply add the numbers up. So I know I'm going to have a positive answer based on adding 32 and 58. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 more is 9. So we know our final answer of 32 minus negative 58, rewritten with keep change opposite as 32 plus 58 after keep change opposite, is equal to 90. So I'll walk you through one more, and then I'll set up one more after that, but not give you the full answer, and then you'll complete the rest of the problems on your own. So one more time, if we're looking at subtraction, and we can see that we're looking at subtraction right here, negative 24 minus 13, we're going to follow this process. So the first thing we will do is to keep our first number. We will change from subtraction to addition. And this time, we're going to write the opposite of the second number as negative 13, because right now in the original problem, it was positive 13. So this problem with keep change opposite converts from negative 24 minus 13 to negative 24 plus negative 13. So one more time, set up your scoreboard. Fill your numbers in. In this case, they're both in the same column, but on the negative side. So don't forget that means our answer is going to have to be negative. And simply add our two numbers up. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And don't forget to carry that sign down. So our final answer is negative 37. So both of these were examples of using keep change opposite and turning out to be problems where we were adding the same sign. So I'm just simply going to set up one more of these problems for you, and I'll ask you to then continue with the rest of the page. So one last time with keep change opposite, we're going to keep our negative 71. We're going to change our subtraction to addition. And we're going to write the opposite of the second number. So we're going to no longer write negative 24, we're going to write positive 24. Now don't forget how the scoreboard is going to be used in this case, because we're going to have one number on the negative side, my negative 17. We're going to have the other number on the positive side, positive 24. Our bigger number, remember this is where the numbers are in opposite sides, so we circle the sign of the bigger number, that will carry through to our sign. And now we just do big minus small and make sure we incorporate the sign in our answer. So I'll have you wrap that up and state your fine. Actually, I'll walk you through this one. So let's see, we'll carry. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. One more time, we know our answer is positive, so we know negative 71 minus negative 24, rewritten with keep change opposite as the addition problem, negative 17 plus 24, and using the scoreboard appropriately gives me an answer of 7. So we'll set the last one up together. I'll leave you to finish that one on your own, and then I'll leave you to do the last two fully on your own. So one last time, we're going to keep the 12. We're going to change my subtraction to addition, and we're going to write the opposite of positive 61, which is negative 61. And you're going to set up your scoreboard accordingly and finish it off from there. So the 12 will go on the positive side. The 61 will go on the negative side. We know our answer will be negative, and then you'll take it through from there. So your job is simply to finish this problem and then repeat the process using KCO and the scoreboard to do the final two problems. And then we will practice more when we meet again.